Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, I honestly never thought that I would see myself behind the camera recording in this format, honestly, ever again. But I can say that I'm pretty excited to be here, and I'm really excited to be launching this project. So, with that being said, welcome everybody. My name is Nick, also known as Kruser, also known as KruserMedia, from the YouTube channel Kruser or KruserMedia. I honestly haven't made the channel yet. I wanted to put this, get this video together beforehand. So that's what I'm doing, and it's going to be very rough. I just want to let y'all know that there's going to be a lot of cuts. I didn't really plan this out at all. I don't have a script or anything. I'm just, this is raw, you know. Welcome. My name is Nick, as we have previously went over in the intro, and this is the beginning of a project that I've been wanting to do, honestly, for probably a couple years now, and I just never jumped on it. But I decided that today's the day, and I'm doing it, and well, we're gonna have fun. So you might be wondering, if you happen to stumble across this video, what are you doing? Who are you? What are you doing? What is your channel going to be about? You might have a million questions, and I intend to answer at least a few of them. In this video, I really just want to go over a couple things. I'm not looking to make this a very lengthy video. It's just going to be an introduction to the channel, an introduction to myself, what kind of videos you can expect to see, what all this channel is going to be about. And it's going to kind of just clear the air, and, you know, get this channel started, as all channel introductions are, I suppose. However, you may know me from the YouTube channel Bathtub Smiles. Yes, that is also one of my channels. Well, I guess that I should address this first and foremost. Who am I? I'm Nick, and I am a photographer. In my spare time, a freelance photographer, mainly centered around automotive. That's what I kind of built this brand on, was automotive photography. As you can see here, I am a car photographer. That is what I started doing as just a hobby and kind of a passion. I've always had a passion for taking pictures and for cars, and I decided to kind of turn that passion and hobby into what I'm hoping to do is turn it into, you know, a bigger recognized brand. And I'm really trying to make something of this. I think I'm over the stage of this just being a hobby, and I would like to, you know, pursue more of this, hence why I'm starting this channel. I do kind of want to touch on a couple things that you will be seeing on this channel, and I kind of want to dive deeper into my reasoning for starting this channel, per se. So my car photography has always been on one solo platform, which has been Instagram. I tried diving into Twitter a little bit, and I tried getting into this one app. I believe it's called Vero or something along those lines. Little to say, you know, that didn't work. And even though Instagram is as terrible as it is right now, that's still probably the best photo sharing platform, for at least what I do. So I really, my reason for starting the channel is I really want to share my content, of course, and I just enjoy making videos, and I want to kind of share this knowledge that I've gained over the past 5 years of doing this. I started doing this back in 2017, so I've got a few years under my belt, and I would have to say that for just being mostly a hobby, or, you know, those first couple years starting, it's definitely gotten a little bigger than that. So I feel as though it was only, you know, natural to follow with a YouTube channel and kind of dive into a new audience, reach new people. And my ultimate goal here is to help some of you who may be struggling Content wise, maybe struggling photography wise, editing wise, or you're just here for entertainment value and because you might end up liking this content and what I'm posting. So that's really why I started this. I don't really have the intention of it going anywhere for at least a while. This is going to be my main project for a while. I'm really going to be pushing on this channel to push out quality content, you know, separate from my old content that I used to post, and with the purpose of, you know, like I said before, reaching new people and reaching a different audience. And hopefully, you know, the ultimate goal here is to help some of you out who might have this passion similar to mine, and, you know, you don't know where to start, you don't know what gear to use. You know, I want to be kind of that helping hand, you know, for those people who might not have anybody to answer, you know, specific questions, or they might just have a basic question that none of their immediate friends or family can answer because, you know, they have no knowledge of this subject. So I want to kind of be that helping hand, along with making videos for entertainment purposes and educational purposes as well. And I love making videos. I mean, I've had probably 10 channels in the past 12 years. So I'm a seasoned veteran, if you could say. Welcome to the channel. I look forward to seeing some of you. I'm really excited to be diving into this. So that was a very brief and quick welcome. Also very disorganized, so there's going to be a lot of cuts. And it's going to be a very cutty video. So yeah, I look forward to seeing some of you. Check the description below for some important links that you should go check out. And you can learn more about me, learn more about what I do, and then you can come back to the channel and leave a comment and perhaps a like if this video wasn't too wild and crazy. I mean, recording this is giving me a headache, and I look forward to seeing you guys. So if you have any questions or comments or anything, head down to the comment section below, and I will be prompt to answer any questions or kind of give any, you know, feedback, or, well, if you do have any feedback, that is of course welcome. So yeah, I hope to see you all soon. If you're new here and you kind of like what you see or what you saw just now, hit that subscribe button, perhaps leave a like, share a video with a friend. I will see you all coming soon. The first video is going to be dropping pretty soon, so yeah, more to follow. This has been Kruser, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.